Give them prayer hands, say what's up America. Half of you should know me, right? Other half a replica. Shout out to my always shout out to that one dude. Oh wait, fuck that, ain't nobody held my ass out on this jump through. It's like they finally give a fuck when they see numbers climbing. Most my family don't even believe that those numbers mine. Remember when I got like 350 each record dropping? Now those tracks are selling, so Cayman's making some record. What? Yeah, homie, check the repertoire. Jesus on my speed down, waiting for the heavens call. This one's for the kids like me who never had a chance to ball. And bitch, I made it cause I never gave myself a chance to fall. Man, it's funny how this happened though. Thought I'd be a lawyer, now I'm stacking off.